In this video, I'll show you how to create a fast photo flicker effect in DaVinci Resolve using quick cuts and sound to control the rhythm. Let's get started. First, find a suitable sound effect, something like fast flipping pages or a flicker style sound. Import it into DaVinci Resolve and place it on an audio track. Zoom into the audio so you can clearly see the waveform. This will guide the pacing of your cuts. Next, bring your photos into the timeline in the order you want. Select all the photo clips, then Control-click and choose Change Clip Duration. Switch to frames and set a very short duration. Around 3 frames is a good starting point. After that, with all the clips still selected, go to the Edit menu and choose Delete Gaps, so everything snaps together into a rapid sequence. Finally, move the photo sequence to line it up with the strongest part of the sound effect. If it feels too fast or too slow, adjust the clip duration by a frame or two until it feels right. That's all you need to create a clean, punchy photo flicker effect driven by sound in DaVinci Resolve.